Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder, where we test AI tools that actually improve your workflow and results. Today, I'm going to show you how I used Nemovideo to engineer videos instead of guessing. This isn't just another AI video generator. Nemovideo is the world's first AI pro video editing agent. Chat your way to virality. And it works differently. Instead of just generating videos, it starts by breaking down what already went viral. The problem, let's be honest, creators today face three problems. Too much competition, too many tools, too much burnout. You either spend hours inside CapCut or Premiere, or outsource and pay thousands, or post randomly and hope something hits. That's guessing. The workflow. Nemovideo works in 4 steps. Hunt, analyze, generate, refine through chat. Let me show you exactly what that means. Hunt. Instead of scrolling TikTok endlessly, Nemovideo hunts viral trends based on your intent. For example, I tested a travel vlog style short. Instead of guessing structure, I let Nemo decode high-performing examples. This is where Nemovideo acts like TikTok plus ChatGPT plus Gemini plus CapCut plus editing agent combined. And by the way, Nemovideo is now an official partner of Seedance 2.0, with native integration coming soon. Analyze. This is the powerful part. Instead of giving you a generic script, Nemovideo performs shot-by-shot reverse engineering. Let me show you a real example. First upload clips of vlog and then write a prompt. Analyze all video assets prior to editing. Utilize your code and editing skills to finalize the cut. Apply subtitles using motion graphic. Add high-quality stickers and overlays. Add keyframes to give the video extra punch. Keep transitions slow and breathing. Minimal, elegant vibe. After writing prompt, select ratio, language and video duration and then click generate. And here's what happened. Automatic split-screen editing. Subtitle styling matched to music. Clean, dreamy pacing. Professional typography applied automatically. That would take hours manually. But in this tool, you can complete your work in minutes. Another example. Now let's test something more viral. Upload a clip related to video and write a prompt. This time a lengthy prompt is added. After this, repeat the same process and hit generate. Within no time, a video is generated with all the things that is. Clean masking. Perfect brightness reveal timing. Viral style suspense structure. This is what they mean by input. Simple prompts. Output. Amazing viral videos. Chat to refine. Here's what makes Nemovideo different. You don't re-edit manually. You just talk to it. For example, make it more dynamic, add stronger hook, improve subtitle animation, add B-roll, faster pacing, and the AI editing agent adjusts everything. This is where it becomes pro-grade studio power, with talk-to-edit simplicity. Why this is different. Most AI tools generate videos. Nemovideo starts by decoding virality. That's a big difference. It's not guessing structure. It copies the workflow of professional creators through AI agents. That's why they call it decoding virality via video reverse engineering. This is an amazing tool for UGS creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers handling clients, niche experts scaling accounts. One feature I really like is the Inspiration Center. Instead of starting from scratch, Nemovideo gives you access to a wide range of proven viral content ideas. These are structured formats that are already working across social platforms. You can simply browse, pick a format that fits your niche, and with just one click, recreate a video using the same proven structure. It's not just inspiration, it's a shortcut to creating content that already performs. And here's where it gets even better. Once your video is generated, you don't need complicated timelines or manual editing. With Talk to Edit, you can simply use natural voice commands. For example, change the 4th second, replace it with a close-up shot. And just like that, the video updates instantly. It feels less like editing and more like having a creative assistant. Nemovideo has a free plan available. There's also a limited launch offer starting from $4.19 per month. If you're interested in affiliate collaboration, join their Discord community as well. All links are in the description. So that's a complete walkthrough of Nemovideo, a video generation tool that makes your work faster. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.